Welcome to BNE Product News, supporting specifiers and buyers on the move. All headlines on this audio podcast are linked to construction and building services sector and associated manufacturing and energy-focused product news items currently available on businessnetexplorer.com. First, the latest product news in the electrical segment. Leading cable management manufacturer Marshall Tuflex's Odyssey trunking system's curved profile and smooth lines have ensured a sleek look at new office development King's Ash House in Torbay. Supplied by New Air in Plymouth, Odyssey was installed as part of a £1 million makeover of King's Ash House, comprising of a full internal fit-out to create 30 modern, multi-use offices completed by the Torbay Development Agency. Out of operation for a number of years, the repurposed building is now providing a much-needed resource for local businesses, a significant contribution to Torbay's ongoing regeneration, implemented to encourage investment in the town. A 3-compartment PVC-U cable management system, Odyssey, boasts the only all-curved profile on the market, enhancing the look of an installation and ensuring easy cleaning while delivering all the practical features that make for fast and efficient installation. Now for news focused on the mechanical and HVAC sections of the industry. Dealing with waste on a drilling rig out at sea is no easy task given a constant exposure to the elements. Any solution has to be highly durable, reliable and more than up to the job. Fugro Geoservices Limited is a specialist overwater drilling and marine construction contractor operating in nearshore and offshore locations all over the world. The company designs, develops and operates its own equipment and has a fleet of jack-up barges and bespoke geotechnical and construction drills for site investigation and construction work in hostile and technically demanding environments. Recently, the company investigated the use of modular accommodation facilities on a rig for a specific contract, one that would need to cater for up to 24 people at any one time. A fundamental element of the specification was a sufficiently robust pump capable of dealing with waste from multiple toilet and bathing facilities. A search and competitive benchmark of the solutions available on the market led Trevor Roberts, Services and Facilities Manager at Fugro, to Saniflow's commercial range and, more specifically, the SaniCubic XL. After assessing the XL, he specified 3 units, 2 to work on board and another as a backup. Micronic's flow meters were used at Heathrow's Terminal 4 to survey the energy usage in the heating system. The facilities staff at Heathrow Airport Terminal 4 have a 5-year plan running from 2014 to 2019, and this plan included the redesign of the heating system, which currently runs at medium temperature hot water. They required the system to run at a lower temperature in order to be more cost effective, more environmentally friendly, and crucially safer. To enable this, they needed to log all the data during the winter of 2014, so they called in Balfour Beatty, delivery integrator for all building works for Heathrow Airports Limited, to carry out an energy flow investigation. Luke Hurst, Balfour Beatty's project manager, heard of Micronics from Nick Wells of Powerplan Limited, a Kent company who specialise in the supply, planning and installation of secondary power systems, who had used Micronics flow meters at Terminal 5 and was particularly impressed that there was no need to cut into the pipework. This would have been extremely disruptive to the airport, necessitating the temporary shutting down of the whole terminal heating system. Micronics recommended the use of the U1000 and U3000 flow meters with energy calculators and data loggers. They offer a quick and reliable flow measurement solution. They are configured for pipe size, so only nominal configuration on site is required, minimising intervention. The easy-to-follow menu made it a very cost-effective alternative to a traditional inline meter. Furthermore, dry servicing is possible, so that downtime is kept to a minimum, which is especially important for the smooth running of such a busy terminal. And finally, our construction segment headlines. The White Collar Factory will be a mixed-use area of workspace, residential and retail, designed by architects AHMM. The development, sited on London City Road, comprises a new 16-storey office tower, a new public square and refurbished existing buildings to the rear. The new 2-storey basement has been waterproofed using a Type C system applied internally to provide drain protection in accordance with BS 8102/2009. The waterproofing system has been supplied by Triton Systems. During demolition of the existing structure, the subcontractor Dunn Group worked closely with Triton's CSSW qualified technical team to design the most appropriate and cost-effective waterproofing system that was subsequently approved by all relevant parties as the most suitable protection against potential groundwater ingress. 2,000 square metres of Platon P20 cavity drain membrane was subsequently specified for all earth-retaining basement walls on both levels, and the ground-bearing slab at lower level. BBA-certified Platon P20 membrane is a high-capacity drainage membrane recommended for use where it is important to significantly reduce the risk of blockages behind the membrane caused by lime deposits. So there are the latest product news headlines for the construction and building services sector. Full items and support images can be found on businessnetexplorer.com, along with a powerful search facility to access all available product news content from leading and up-and-coming brands. Items include product launches, application stories, case studies and exhibition appearances. Why not follow us on Twitter at BNE Product News? We tweet headlines with links to all items as they are published. You can also join the BusinessNet Explorer Club and receive information regularly by email. www.businessnetexplorer.com, supporting business to business. This audio podcast is powered by businessnetexplorer.com and is a Giant Peach New Media production.